Hello guys, I'm Shekhar and you're watching TechInc. In this video, I'll be showing you how can you run not single, not dual, but a quad multi-browser on your Android device. So without wasting any further time, let's get straight into the video. So this is all through an application called Dual Quad Multi-Browser. You just need to go to your Google Play Store and simply search for Dual Quad Multi-Browser and install it. This application is very useful when it comes to raising your productivity with multitasking. Once you have installed it, open the application and this type of split screen interface will appear on your screen. You can utilize 2 browsers or even 4 browsers. Each browsers are so functional that you guys can use it horizontally and even vertically. You can also enable quad browser by simply going to this hamburger menu and tap on the browser layout to full screen. If you use a tablet with this app, you will maximize your productivity with the quad mode. While using multiple browsers, you can easily switch to a single browser, clicking on this hamburger menu at the top right corner and click on the full screen option. One of my favorite features of using this application is that you can control the screen ratio by simply going to the hamburger menu again and click on the screen size. You can adjust the size ratio of the screen by 90%, 80%, so on and so forth up to 50%. Like if I apply 80% to my second screen, it will 80 or 70% to my second screen. It will turn out to be 70% of the screen and 30% of the other screen. So it's very helpful when it comes to multitasking or while studying. It also has an option of dark mode where you can enable it and it is pretty good for our eyes. With the latest version, you can also clear web browser cache by simply going to the hamburger menu and click on the clear cache option. This is very useful to protect your data and also it helps in clearing the temporary files which have been stored on your browser. So this is a very amazing and useful app for you guys who want to increase their productivity by doing multitasking. So this was all for the today's video. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more such videos. So for all of that and more, I will see you in the next video.